All right, Coach. First of all, just kind of describe the excitement for yourself and also for the team after not playing a game since last May.
Well, we're really excited about this season, especially the way we finished last year. We finished strong, and we've got most everybody back. So there was a lot of energy yesterday. The guys are ready to go.
And according to the ACC, you guys were picked fourth in the Atlantic Division. I know your goals are certainly higher than that. Talk about what you do expect from this team this year and what you hope to get out of this season.
Well, we need to take another step forward. I thought we took a good step forward last year. We finished 15-15 in the league, and we were on the cusp of getting a regional bid, probably 3 or 4 wins short of being in postseason play. So our goal this year is to be in the postseason.
Through the fall and now, a couple days into the spring here, what or who has been maybe the most pleasant surprise for you guys?
Well, our pitching staff is really coming together. John McLeod and Chris Wilson and Jack Fisher are 3 guys that didn't pitch a whole lot last year. John McLeod pitched some early, but struggled a little bit late. So those 3 guys have really taken a big step forward to bolster our pitching staff. So from a pitching standpoint, those 3 guys have been the biggest change. And then offensively, really everybody's playing really well. I think all of our guys did a really good job this summer and have come back and are better players than they were a year ago.
Perfect. And then just less than 3 weeks now to opening day, New Mexico State. What will be the team's focus heading into that series?
Well, getting as many live at bats as we can. That's the biggest thing. Days like today, it's beautiful out, so we need to capitalize on a day like this and just get good quality live at bats. Our starting pitchers need to get up to that 90 or 100 pitch mark before we open up. So basically, we did everything in the fall that we need to do. It's now just review time and getting in game ready shape.
All right, Coach. Thanks a lot. Have a good practice.
Thanks, Steven.